Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It is Tuesday morning. We are in week 9 of our cycle and week 2 of the strength phase. And today we are doing a lower body workout out here in the field house. So we've got first on the list is pistol squats. That's at 4 sets of 6. One of these days, and I already practiced I did a warm up already. Trying to do them without any stabilization assistance, and I'm just not there yet, but I may try a couple, but they're just going to be body weight because obviously I have to use my hands to hold on to the bar. I could put on the yoke, but I think when I hold on to the rack with the yoke, I think I have too much forward and backward motion. I hit the rack. So anyway. So that's what we've got for our main lift, and that's at 4 sets of 6. And I'll get a workout out of that still. Then we've got, I'm gonna do dumbbell Bulgarian split squats, and these are all 3 sets of 10. The auxiliaries are, and then single leg standing calf raise, leg curls, and leg extensions. So there we go. We've got a good workout here in front of us. So let's hit the lower body, let's hit it hard, get them done. And get out on the walk. I'll be doing a shorter version of the walk today, probably no more than a mile. I'll do it definitely a mile less at least, probably 1.5 to 1.7 miles. So because usually, on leg day, I like to give the legs a little bit of a break from that workout since I've already worked them out inside. So anyway, we'll go out on the walk and come back, and then take her in the house. So let's do this. Can't get it done unless we start. So let's get her done. Let's do it. got her done. And I am recording. I'm not on hyperlapse. All right. So the leg workout, all the isolation lifts. Pistol squats, I just don't know when I'll be able to hold my balance on the pistol squats. I tried on my warm up. I even tried to kind of half let go during my 4x6. But yeah, I get a better workout if I hold on. Just let my hands slide up and down. And I find that, you know, I did watch a couple of videos of other people's form, and they do lean forward quite a bit. And I don't lean forward, I lean back. If I lean forward, my knees go way over my foot. And but I can hold my balance a little bit better that way. So I did do a couple that way. Still holding on to the rack, of course, but so yeah, anyway, got through those. Bulgarian split squats, on the other hand, those were a workout. Oh my goodness. I grabbed the 35s, and I kind of back and forth between 30 and 35s. I finally said, well, let's just grab the 35s. And I was thinking to myself, I'll probably go up into the 40s maybe. And after that first set, I was like, oh my goodness. Yeah, and you know, I would have been all right if I'd have started with the 30s. But once I started with the 35s, that's where I'm at. I'm not going down. So anyway, had a little bit of hard time getting my balance on that too, but I've got a good workout out of that. So yeah, Bulgarian did the deal today. So, and then we had the single leg calf raises at the same time, and then of course we had the leg curls and leg extensions. And those are going well. Leg curls, I'm at the 20. Those are standard weights, and they don't have 2.5 pounds. They have 3 little 3-pounders. And I'm at 28 pounds for, you know, single leg on those, and 35 on the quads on the extensions. So anyway, so we got her done, and we went on a walk. It was a little bit warmer. It's still a cloud cover today, so we got a little bit of insulation over our sky. So not a whole lot of cold, holding some heat in. So yeah, a little bit warmer today. Well, it felt warmer. I think it's in the upper 30s. It was 37, I think, when I looked at the watch when I came out. So still a little chilly outside, still cool enough for, you know, double layer of fleece. And I did pull out the, you know, the real fleece hoodie, and pulled that out actually early this week on Sunday. Actually got that out because it was pretty chilly. So anyway, so we're gonna head her on in. We got our longevity training done today, so we can meet age with grace. So that's a big step. You know, we get her done early so we don't have any excuses later in the evening. That's why I do it early. I do get up, you know, the alarm gets me up, but, you know, I would get up early, not this early, but I would get up early. I'm an early riser anyway. You know, we're talking in the 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock hour. It's when I would normally get up without the alarm, but I'll force myself to get up, make myself work out in the morning when there's nobody around, you know, nobody to distract me. Nothing to pull me away from a workout. Because if I work late in the evenings, I don't feel like working out. I don't care how late I get up. If I work till 6, 7 o'clock, of course, you know, I try to get off work by 5, between 4 and 5 sometime. And but if I end up working till 6, or, you know, we have to run late a little bit, I don't feel like working out when it gets late. I just don't. Never have. But I don't mind coming out here early. So anyway, that's enough chitter chatter. We'll let you guys go. You guys get out there and do some longevity training so you can meet age with grace, folks. We'll catch y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow's active rest day. Everybody's favorite. We'll take care. So you guys take care, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Be careful.